Good morning, children. In this moral science video, we shall learn the basics for success in life. It is named as Just for Fun. In this moral science video, we are going to learn the basics precautions for this three important topics. We are facing a lot of problems to curb. Curb is to stop or to start these things. The topics we are discussing in this video are: first is e-safety, waste management, and a good teamwork. How to be a good team worker. The first one is e-safety, that is electronic safety. Electronic gadgets like computers, phones, etc. Nowadays, we make use of computers to make our lives comfortable. It is now possible to reach a large number of people through social media, but we must be careful and alert to stay safe. Being safe on the internet is very important and can prevent problems. As you know, as you are aware, due to ongoing pandemic, the use of cell phones, laptops, computers have reached its peak among people working from home, entertainment of people or children or teens, online classes, and that is creating a big problems. For this, it is more important to make sure they know the dangers of the web. We have to teach children not to disclose any of the personal information, not to fall prey to the strangers online. Remember that what you say or give any personal information can't be deleted or taken back. One thing we have to make the user know is to block anyone that seems suspicious and tell about it to your parents or elders right away. Also make a note to monitor your child while he or she is using the gadgets often. Overall, the most important thing while using social media is never send any photos of any member of your family, as the predators make use of this for a wrong purpose. I hope, children, you have understood the dangers of using these gadgets, but use them for getting good and informative knowledge. The next topic we are covering in this video is waste management. Management of waste is an important activity that helps us to keep the environment clean. Waste management includes the actions required to manage waste from its collection to its final disposal. There are different countries follow different waste management practices for maintaining hygiene and cleanliness. Waste management is the overall process of collection, transportation, treatment, and discarding of waste products. There are many forms of waste such as solid, liquid, or gas, and each has different processes of disposal and management. As you can see in the table, there are different colors and the waste descriptions. You can just read and understand the table. The general concepts of waste management are the three process approaches that are reduce, reuse, and recycle, the three R's of waste hierarchy. Inefficient waste management has several negative effects on health of living beings, environment, and economy. For example, air pollution, soil contamination, spread of hazardous diseases, etc. Therefore, waste management is aimed to reduce the adverse effects of waste on environment, health, and the beauty of nature. The last and the most important topic covered in this video is teamwork. Team building. What is team building, children? It is first the trust, the planning, the adaptability, the decision making, problem solving, and communication. These are the skills required for making a good team manager. What is team? T is for together, E is for everyone, A achieves, and stands for more. Together, everyone achieves more. You can see a picture down where if you come together as a team, you can do wonders. Whether it is an organization or your working place or school. In this slide, you can see the teamwork. Teamwork is two or more people come together to achieve a particular goal. It is one of the most important things you need to learn from childhood. When people work in a group, the work gets divided. Hence, one person doesn't have to do all the work alone. This is one of the features of working in teams. As the quote goes, teamwork divides the task and multiplies the success. When you see a boat race in Kerala, you can see all the people go in the same way direction to win the boat race. That is called a good teamwork. Slide, you can see very beautiful quotes. Every successful individual knows that his or her achievement depends on a community of persons working together. And the next picture shows Ronald Reagan, one of the American presidents. By working together, pooling our resources, and building on our strengths, we can accomplish great things. He has quoted this. One of the lessons that they teach at school is teamwork. It's a lesson that you should never forget in your life. If you ignore the experience of teamwork, you will face a lot of difficulties in future. In an organization without teamwork, no work will be accomplished. Everyone works in teams. The amount of work that is achieved is more than what an individual alone can achieve. When everyone works in teams, each person in the team is dependent on the other members of the group. You can learn a lot of things from each individual person who is master of any specified talent. In this slide also you can see two quotes. If you can be a great teammate, you have a chance to be a great team. Individually, we are one drop. Together, we are an ocean. Have you ever seen geese flying? You will notice that they always fly in a V formation. You may wonder why. Well, as each bird flaps its wings, it creates an uplift for the bird following it. The entire flock of birds adds 76% greater flying range by flying in that V formation. Can we be like geese? Can we share a common direction, children? We can get things done faster and in a better way by collaborating with each other, like the combat flying jets display. Now comes the question time. First question is, what do you mean by teamwork? Describe an incident when a common goal was achieved. It could be in a school project or any game. Share your experience. Why is waste management important for living a healthy life? How does it help in controlling pollution? Please answer this question and send it to me on my personal WhatsApp number. Lastly, you have the last question. Choose the words given to complete each sentence about e-safety. Never give out your dash online without parents' permission. Always use the internet under dash supervision. It is best to only communicate with dash through internet. Never talk to a dash online. Only open emails from people you dash. Do not respond to messages that make you feel dash. Try to use the internet for dash purposes only. Be a good online dash and follow the rules of e-safety. Please complete this blanks and send it to me. Thank you. Have a good day.